no ya ye hwen sem abankrata ni mu na ye didi ho komodwenwen ho to ato ho adwene no eno ena adri so ewo ene benada no pa de Nsroma adwumadi no eso no na ene sansem no nkrata ni mu hwe pa enra ye civil societies a wonu ekon edi ati akata se wonu hwe mu die ni nsem ahodo epie mu no enkata dodo na sede osifa no ene list supposed list yes ye free special prosecutor office aba na so se o ye montu if you say any list be edimo board chair Emma office of the special case prosecutor Mama Lindo for for set ye mungu intende ye say special prosecutor rolls as he drops suspect a list a suspect list I am fanya sem and say he for daily graphic again say ignore purported list from special prosecutor and then daily graphic and by say except say petroleum agreement ya ye wono ebinu mo wonu ma je krata no ye ne wo makwa pam no ene am wo mo block no ye kire wo mo senke ya asase ya kire wo mo se aha muntuni ehwesi ebenya fangwa we pone so ti am wo mo block no wo mo nko ye kra nko pa adwuma no nyeye won kohwe impossible betusu obenya bi wonya bi woko explore na woko exploration no ene subsenti we sa no maje contract no go sa wo de komo obi fufura we breach contract wono soso a won ko ho konongo kaya enti subsusu senke be ya sa wo mo ani wo makọ contract na wonum enhye dan hwemo won hwe so nkoye contract no ni enenke yenyen sachae wo mu se beje ane yaje enaya Dock Workers and Maritime Workers Union MDU for Maritime and Dock Workers Union ya wonum ewo temasushen jina bi egusu a wo bom den say they are working saban hwe ntie na MPS contract no 121 na monwa ebe kakra no GPH for won bekọ adwuma na so nya adwuma efise said the contract ni sitie no de adwuma no wo se fa kese pa MPS for ne be if say what two contract ne be aba o che say if ship wa exin containers e free a new code MPS for nko na be adwuma say ko ba sa de na GPH for no ko a ene adwuma no nsasa wa ase no mpropro wonu no won be ye send won benya na odi aboa o man no ti o madwuma no mu dodo na daily statement de buy say wo mo hwe ma sa contract no koso dia ene be say 60% of port ho adwuma no nyina business anka GPH for na eye no ebe kwa akodi MPS for no ehonom and the daily guide yaba Mampenda da Mahama exposed over rigging claim inti eno so NDC communication team member wo head yet yebebisa no mu asem wowura Alhaji Naziru Muhammad ye NDC communication team member waba na enenso nankai honorable Dr. na kokofu kane Bantama MP ne beba begine mu ama MPP amanyuko no wono so anya emergency enti ne wantumi ama ye ne MPP for na kasa enti wokeka wo ho na wa ma ye replacement enti ye sha se replacement ne ba why not ye be mana kan komodie no eho ti se ai de se mu Alhaji Naziru Muhammad wa ha enye se bo apayo ne mum de ese wo baba si MPP anan no en wanya emergency ya bo mama ne se de ese ye no o se wo keka wo ho no ma ye replacement Alhaji
Ye.
Salamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Onye krache kura ye se wo be madada on person no kwa me nkruma kote na on.
Ah bere kwa me nkruma de ka bobu.
Ti na o ka ye.
Ya zo ni mama mra on sa mamre.
Ti uji su ye. E no ho ya e fe obe krache kakra se hello ya.
Well,
ana unya won ka hello.
Krache ye no ye se won ka ukuro mu kasa na me pese me yes krache.
Me feel oli akaye no se ye no na be ma wakoma ato ye makaye no de enko achiwia ne ko se uguso
alhamdulillah ye da nyame ase em se ene ye ne nemu a ye ko kakra
okay
ye nyina ye timi hu no se ne hia no se nia chiwia no e de ba ne nyamesuro ane se nia department hye ne ho so
okay
se ye wie chiwia no so a esefata se ye nyina no ye be den ye be hwe na yetimi ato aso saa ye se chiwia na ba na ya hye ye ho so na chiwia no bia ye se de bia no asɛdeɛ sɛ yɛbɛhyɛ ho nso ahwɛ ɔman dɔ nyankopɔn kwan a ɔhyehyɛ ma yɛn na ne nyinaa no yɛdi so mmara no sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛne ewiase bɛwie pɛyɛ na yɛn daakye nso ayɛ yi ama yɛn na ɔman no nso afa no ntoma paefra enti yɛne ne mu a yɛda nyankopɔn ase yɛn nyinaa timi ho sɛ weather no koraa start change ma yɛn kakra
okay
temperature was hitting 34 thereabout in the peak but say no asamba from 31 29 nini ekeka so it's quite ebwa ma
you know what feed me ankasa no makache chief imam doctor say onyama me monitor mu nyina oni sadat eni mustafa ni munkaila me mpese obi a be free bi obi a mobosia bi a wo ye ma mo mobosia mu free bi
most of the time mema very difficult to say obenya busia wo say obebo busia wo we ni fasting mo mema but a woman so say fasting no ye bibia e pese ye de kum nipa enti wo beye intention no a wo de beye fasting no kra no wo ka kire nyankopon say wa ma wo kwan say akwantu kese bi to a wo betimi agyae na wa kɔ enti wo bia enne even though
any who say one man team no me bompa isenya dia ubetu kwa ya kwa chiri mutie ya
but you only ideologically on say quantity Prophet Muhammad the only means of transportation be camels no mo betina so name kon ne ekeka ho and probably no 90 na ye 90 but even today scientists have been who say sa statement no and as a sa position no Islam de to ho no very rife say obefa plane kura na ebia ye fan say wo China na obey fasting na you have conflicting times obetimi aye fasting no more than the stipulated time
I was
answer what breaky so even that distance kura no ebe nyama
shake bi obeba kasi mfia kwala obesara but yeah we shemo well akomchin de ntimo no monye but mu breaky de no be breaky
oh one time
inshallah
one time
okay yan sha se ne yamon koma wansa ye chen replacement obefi MPP amanyoku ni mu aba ne daily guide ediaba enra eba beto dwa se mampenda da mahama wo Oxford University wo no dwumade bia se okoka se wo se an 2016 abato ne kra no jamanwiamu bi koso enti a radio station TV station didi hon koma no our radio station ba koso on cry eno friend PP ene PNC for no nom se senwiamu koso a ene esabre no kra no na chairperson na no opesi wo wiam de ma ruling party if he say wo mu nyina kontiase parties no ni stakeholders no no mo sa election ni mu no kontiase so ye be fa ye nsa campaign sheet na mo be frɛ no ye be fax enti fax mo do kai tete fax na eno ne de beye edru ba bi won say chairperson won say debi mo me file electronic no computer they send here and according to daily guide and no PNC Owura Mateje Mensa Kosa sabe say one any director of elections and they were deputy regional reorganization and development and omone ne kasai and also one PNC so rep and so kasai and onu nyina kaso sabe no chairperson o ye na dwen say debi ani on the electronic mode one or the badge results no say na mami said ye kan ye nyina na ehia ye na agitu mu say ade idie bibia ni a ye beje pin sheet no wo ma fax ya breye if you say enu no be ma adwuma no yate ho ase na akinye bia mem enso on do say o da bi me the computer de na be ye adwuma enti na na daily guide say say na tie say de PNC any MPP for aka ne dia ene na mampani dada mahama wo twantro ana sansem no kan ye no na da pa adedi the antiquary and SS or cancer because me are not paying. I was like, now I would say just one. No, I believe say, all resources of the state at your disposal. And to who want to me and show my opposition to me, I buy your corner fast. Warenia, and you don't even have to be in the race again. All opposition crowd will beat you. Now, what could your opposition? Into almost as I claims no kind of craning.
Thank you. Lady Guy, wait, special ice rana on my end say.
Oh, thank you. Why you saw your mama papa oh, but your also ujibi coffee. Na mo de koye chiwiano. Se a special ice ya rebranding.
Oh, okay.
So blue bottles ne bia na obi atobi afe no woton ensae pa chokoso aton. But if you na koi ubehu we.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Same special ice. Kama nsu krojen abotan mu nsuo no noa na packaging no eni asesa no ya ye ni sa bruchire fo nsuo no on say sa bruchire packaging
well me pe colors na me fe pa
mauve is a royal color you know
me pe colors me dance
yes ye da wase
de nche sumbo ebe ma ahwefo nyina
okay
na wa oni say me am afat edia to me so say ye nuanom ye ma a wo mo ayira wo takrade no wo mo asem edamakoma so Ghana ye wo suban bi asem ba e bia e be kan tra na within some few weeks na ye jai me wa kwenya me kasa me yetie na ye ma me kwan ma me nya mass platform a metimi dey mass communication no me de be kai aban na me de akai Ghana fo na me de ahye awofo no so ma show mun crying say ye betumi aye ne betumi aye bia ye benya nkwala no enti omungu so ambo mpaye na yen kai aban ne Ghana police say senia nyoma esiko no ye asefem ye agensem ama the confidence aye wo ama Ghana police no erode drastically to the extent say ndra metie ya ma meti wado dankwa any explanation or de mano ema makumetuye ema me hu say at the point in time I'm beginning to believe and I say I believe today sitting here say tape na meti say gentleman no I friend no A+ a ball between Tiwa and no obedina here no that tape is authentic that tape is true because Tiwa aye ane wadani party police instead of Ghana police.
What fat on so say, oh, Kasa say, then Kwalani beba. Inti nka the other can be about the Monfan Kwadama and Imre, near money way, na baby only
Ebebano. The competence of our security service ayo masadie ye miss tax misika
they are so searching it is all encouragement to be a family mo na uyi ba ku free mu na udoso no pam party call ahye no a omo anso ne ani wo mu ye adwuma yi ye ka say ye gidi asan wo mu a wan ho ne ye beko wan na bebo ye ho ban
onim say enkwala no nipa ye che no first time e water crowd etimi escape police custody. Am I sanko chini biom?
You mean suspected kidnapper?
Suspect, yes. Yes, sanko chini biom ye nhwehwemu. Ono ankasa bue ne numutom. Say police for na boa no manujani.
Na de nipa kan nyina na agidi.
Oh fine. So it's up to the police to confirm or deny and then take the necessary action. Na yentumi enya confidence e wo mu biom.
Okay.
It is very sad. Na nyameka cha wo for no say omoma ompa ebomu enye den na omonso omonfa omaso en to fom na womuntieti emwo bia yenso ye wo no yenso ye beboa omu ene mpaibo ene information ya yenso ye benye bia no ye bema na yetumi hu nkwala no na omo asem eye mobo.
Okay,
now back to the substantive. You see wo tie nsɛm Namia Adum, the president of Ghana 2021, Inshallah, John Dramani Mahama Kaya. Eye nukre trudo made me one aspect of it, not a single word cried womwa, Obetimaka say is debatable. Yet now memuha, then okay, first of all, or say elections and some any senior yede abe for kwan so ye elections no yan hwini ya ebetumi e de asem abre yen na okasa na oka esiso akire Ghana 2016 na waka Kenya de na or the says is it Zambia or Zimbabwe so eka ho.
Okay,
se nyoma esisi wo ho no ema no to say Kenya no Emma no ehwe se ekwan bi wo ho a ye nhwe se ne ye sa ye hyehyɛ. Example de ma Ghana ne se ye nyina ye nim election ene hyehyɛ. Election bia no ye de CI ene ye. A constitutional instrument. And I say ye veze nhyehyɛ a ɛwɔ mmaramu a wo mo pese wo de ye. Na sa election 2016 no nhyehyɛ ene mmara ɛbɔ ho ban no ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛde electronic ɛbɛyɛ yɛn transfer of election results.
Okay.
Yɛ ma reasons bebree a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde yɛ saa deɛ no ama kyerɛ sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛgye to mu. Emre bedu na yɛbɛkenkan results no na yɛ faxe anaasɛ yɛ transfer the by electoral commission. Send mmara no ɛkyerɛ no wɔn nkwa ne wɔ saa tumi no a wɔn betumi declare sɛ asimesi enya sei wei enya sei enti results no anaasɛ abato no yɛto yɛ no ni asimesi ɛna wedi nkunim ɛna wei mu edi nkogo. Electoral commission kwa ne wɔ saa tumi no ɛwɔ yɛ mmara mu wɔ Ghana. Na ye nam kwan so a ye hwɛ sɛ ye bɛyɛ saa nhyehyɛe no na ye di so na electoral commission kasa ɛbɛtena simpie so ɛka kyerɛ Ghana fo nyinaa sɛ ɛkwan a mede ɛgye me resource no amanfo bi de abɛfo kwan abɔ bure mu ama tɛ sɛ atokyima enti
before we call electoral commission asɛm obɛka ye ne so no wo kamera sɛ ye nyinaa ye mmra sɛ yemfa electronic mode. Then ye den and stakeholders, including EC, so nunko share can ejitumu. Let's say IPAC meeting. Okay. Said ye beya entiasiye peri ye any fine beye juma. Ewo ye in 2016 abato emuti. Ye nyina yenti enwase se ye nkope no computer say email sending or be type. So hard copy na just fax it. So faxed mode almost yes. Till Matthew once in a day. Me assure a convention to me,
but in essence, ye be ye a year fax mode no crano, yen to be on fire. What transpired in 2016?
Wow.
Yan to me fax mode no crowd catch up say a manual. A manual.
So fax mode, and I think a manual by upgrade because paper the only thing is fax machine. Never reproduce a manual now, except that this manual and nothing no be faka every kumbugu diaba.
Correct.
Manual and
say so if you agree, say fax mode require manual, then it is what the parties are claiming say they agreed on and a year in 2016.
Okay.
And that is what we did in 2016. But that is not what John Dramani Mahama is talking about.
Okay.
John Dramani Mahama say, electoral commission ebe kachire yen say, obi afa abe fukwan so, e de abowura wo mo system no mu a te say atochima. Into omo ntumi ngi omo system no endi bio. Is as say nipa no wa abowura mu no. Obetimi asesa figures no. Obetimi aye nyoma bebre ama te say wo mo figures no omo benya no does not tally and is not in tandem with AC war in various polling stations and as a baby a nyina ye koto aba no so electoral commission system no be kan ye no obisa say report ben because omo kan wie ye no mo hye bo as Ghana for say omo kwa akoba omo ho boden aye nhwehwemu na baby a wo mu no omo de abetudwa and John Dramani Mahama ebisa say why ene hu report I fa sa asem na electoral commission ye kan ye no minim say won hu bia minim say matraje mesa kosa MPP won hu report ni bi anasa PNC fo an daily guide e de wo mo mfato hu no ehu sa report no obi ehu
say ehonom na ma guide ne owura Martin kosa e kan say ene Mampenada Mahama claims ni anya adwuma no efri say yes say ye the fax method yate ye ho ase ye de anu na ye adwuma enti who cares about our system because granted say obi abora system nim you are not working with the system you are working with the faxed document into how then do you say obi abora system into your regulation
good very clear you all share me your deep knowledge and understanding of our electoral process a very good one my picture no nyina be da ho am obi ehu nia make can say and near John Dramani Mahama episode these two journeys say. Sa system say ne ye koto aba na electoral commission e ka tell and say obi use system no a nipa watumi I invade this system then na ya ye de esi no kwan.
But what makes you think that your Kotoaba disaster system now every 4 years each comes up with new and different modalities?
And I say that is those are it constitute the CI no ye de be sa particular election. And America says CI no because the process people in advocating for electronic election process in this country. And people are advocating for it.
So when they want to na udi susu, Oma propose, but if na be a Kotoaba na. Mukoshia wo moi park na mu dwendwen ho afi die na bato we no ye pese kose bobo mu a mate ase se we sei ne ebekọ no enu na wawaka se enu na afei ebeba be esi anti die na kire se next year ye koto aba ekwan ya ye fa so se sa fax method yi ene de keka ho yi the same kwan na and we so the akwakoye ato the year 2010 or the 2020 enti e ba sa wonyi ni se wo preempt
and we are not preempting anything. We are just being natural and real to ourselves. As I say, technology it me absolute within the shortest possible time.
Okay.
Obi ebet me edi kwan foforo bi aba ebe ma wo dia wonim ni nyina no ya boegu ene me no wo kasa yi electoral commission for
but ebe add on improvement bebem
ta emra na ye de box na ye hu mu no aye opaque no na ye de to aba no nkofo de omwadwen ba ya ebe ma obi age ye fense abato na edi no ye bogu
ye use box all right but ye say use we asimu esum ye be use di obi enti adaka be si wo ye twa na pampem but now adaka no ye use nefi wo enti we improved on it.
Correct. So sir, if I will take your word ye be improve on it.
Okay.
Now we be improve on technology ya se fata se uhu nyoma etochima senior electoral commission kasa ka se omo be nhwehwemu Edia Betuja. And no na former President John Dramani Mahama kase say ye hwan na ye kase BBNC and also say oh and yehwe as I say election here ye wi.
Hello.
So say
hello.
No bia entwe na no enkusi boni. Because John Dramani Mahama emfa krata bia anko bibia enko kase election na ye to ye no me de court as I say ye wi ame. Election na ye to ye
no. It was rigged and now one can.
Now, election be a wobet say electoral may semi busa and I'm bearing any MPP president. I may ask one baha. Now one more betty.
We are hoping so.
Now one more betty 2016 election. And can you movie ni ya? Election a young kashi, young yeshu, mukosa papers, a court. I can some adding some be two jackasa, yen a friend saying. Yen register ekura no eye so bogus amononifo nko na akọ ahonko na egu yen register ni mu omo asen no a omo no be decide one na be president amagana can some the court when the electoral commission has not even altered any single word that sought to suggest to say omo ejuma no atochima. They took that initiative. 2016 election omo lusu ya and me and America, so this will be the basis of America so be reject the election. Election all over the world.
No, what Jane I watch.
Some amount of reasons. Say and yes, ni amususu. Matrel. America electoral commission Jumani here. Crudging and will be who say you almost all mumpiri. And na electoral commission and kasa
say the midi kai no. One say Africa, Ghana. Ye woti mo say. Wo mampani a wotie adwaso ne kra de wo kra wo incumbent nti wotiminya state resources kra boa wo in a way nti wotie adwaso e be ye den say obi betimi awi abanimati nti enye nwanwa say no wotie adwaso na afi enemum ene oba beka say I say ye wiemu antiam aden enanya eye muden say ku say and now ono as a person and they say obeja to say my Lucy I lost any pan Lucy so young koyeni.
That's John Dramani Mahama has done already. long ago in the heat. In fact, let's guide it very well.
All right.
Se obinim na yehwe ama saa ade wei abegu ye democracy ye nyina no ya bo ho ba besim de ni nti America san say wo de saa position na wo de ba say na wo na wo ti ade so yes wo ti ade so na onye forthright na election kwa na wo dwen ho enye o man no na wo dwen ho say mekwa koze ye fense mekwa kosi 120 schools mekwa kosi hospitals memma region bia hospital memma district bia hospital na wo dwen election kwa ho a wo betimi aye decide duma na aka se me na meti ade nso ntimi ma obi mbewini mi se na ye hu no enei but John Dramani Mahama wasn't thinking like that or was having your money besides argument flawed because in 2008 MP before na wa ban and NDC every etire ebe winning election omo winning we here no MP before kasa is a rigged election NDC for we are ban. They talked about it for the entire 4 years. You could do 2012.
Oh, okay. It
is not yen to Sayum. Yen to Sayum. We are making justified John Dramani Mahama and Kani in a vacuum. Say, you are election. See, electoral commissioner at the catcher and said the system, a touchy by signs will be a bobrim. Into sa report, or catch or sign so say, or compare reporter, or the beba. Ama. Ya to me aswano say enter enemy ensign NCBU enti say ene sa report ni mbaye ya koto aba ya yenchise ya ko another election na makọ amanone ma meto ho ma ye bisa me say senior ye be ya ye nyina ye be hwe say ye democracy ana say kabima menkebi no Africa man nyina na ewiase afa na nyina no ye be bo ho ban no na always issues of say ye solve sa issues no na ntumi embo sa ye democracy no ho ban no na me fi say wa ye boni bia ye ne kwan no so me no e kasa na enia ye me pesa bitie no say na nka electoral commission
na o kan che easy say onye fair because ohun say last year 4 years wa anye fair
na o kase easy fo e ka say wo mu system no obi abo wure mu na sa omo bo wure mu no wo say omo pe ye ben say omo the report be bro omo kwa nhwehwemu e the report abrayen sa report no ye hu ye e no obi say sa report no wo he that is exactly what he's saying but ultimately obi abetimenti
enka mo comfortable lead onapo ni mu e na owini ye eno teso a enka would you have asked for that report nana?
Certainly he would have asked because he's shown sincerity. So in Americano was show sincerity because even when he lost with all this information available to him, or accepting defeat in the heat of the election, okay, 2016, about 1 year can kind of chair because it was manual. Any declaration in the account in the heat, even before electoral commission declare results. What we could now, I can say, what thrown it out. Or congratulate Nana Dankwa for His Excellency the President.
It took us some time.
But it was before
after my press conference you are leading.
In America, not 2 ways about that. We are leading because we also had our events data and we had the results that are coming. So in America, based on extrapolation and events projections are So that is what led us to that conclusion. Well, the question you have to be asking is this: that a himfa and now why and a bit may possible Obora electoral commission system no more to ever declare election by 1 o'clock say we win election. Obetimi the possible person or Bora. That is the question we should be asking. The issue of Onapo or not Onapo has been cleared by the fact to say ye Frank Tuni, our DNM, our Sansuya Mampini at that time. Edgy to Muntam, even before the declaration of the Electoral Commission. I'm assembly the last time coin. Yenya Sumje or mine. We are sure in terms are. The declaration of the results and Kasakusa and to me I enter because it was manual. So in terms it was before the declaration of the EC.
All right.
Now, obi a declaration of the EC chire no kra no osan so the asem court ka do obi say mano enkotena akonja so because asem no kra wo court a say ontimi yam ampanyi ji say e ka asem no
we ya wo ka say me nyintum but ma accept and I said I don't agree me mpene so but ma accept.
Where in the statement of the your friend say Omampanyi John Dramani Mahama and Oka say he doesn't agree with the results.
That one I don't know.
Correct. And it so clearly is showing you the distinction between the two leaders. Make to me after John Dramani Mahama 7 very serious to the extent say it is not about him. Because what my munko what we need my boy about to make and what we will remember now young build woman.
It's no new option because Rebecca said the margin was too huge.
Equally, Nanado didn't have option before he said he doesn't agree.
Option because I want the papers.
And papers been on the
evidence to back the claim.
Correct. What there are some cases you cross and you because you catch and say you voter register no you bloated. A voter register man on if one womb or Mampanyi ever di chirene of Alaji Mahmoud Baumia and a D nim edin sembe two jaye bibia and net men walker say voter register and yes said ama on no other or Mampanyi abedi chiri amananado down Kwakufado His Excellency I or Mampanyi ya sign so dia check regions baku 6 sa register no ya sign so dia check regions baku it's a serious matter.
Entimu nyentumu say Mampenda Mahama claims say election no 2016 no Canada bia na enwiemu regen no ne twi ya no enwiemu ana mimbi course no a yesi ente sa no monyentum.
Oh yeah, but I don't get your question right.
That's the claim that election no was rigged, it's not so.
Oh Debbie meji tumu pa say something went wrong. Because electoral commission and Kasankasa na Abeka until the report about ebia war report no one catch them say electoral commission report ni tira say bibia nko so then we can argue on that basis.
Mo amoko mo ipac meeting no baby war report.
Oh they be say we as a jodi ebia untivinya information bi kura na me kura ebia mama ko tira ipac na me ntivinya say.
O de mayon koye ni Daily Statesman and war report say maritime and dock workers union MDU for say MPS contracts are buying and reviewer afibia $70 million and no mine be in fact waka church clause bia e was our contract in mo I say e be kakra no MPS contract no shase na MPS for no year adwuma and na GPH no Ghana Portable Authority to what kwa fi say adwuma no fadodo na be 60% dey MPS for ene beye ebi ono mo abeti amanfo se a na MDU for no mo tena wa abanda da ne sensan contract no mo wan no mo anka ena afi ne no onum de o mani bra be so aban so oguso a wo hwa wo ye no mo ma ne pressure enti ene wa ba die ara na mo ko sensan contract hu sa to ho.
Yeah.
Papa.
Yeah.
Mira.
What do baby?
Catch me.
Very important. Say, you raise issues are. If you more a doctor question.
Okay.
And say I arrive at a conclusion. They didn't kind of. I was say, be my phone in our ETS. Party and me dom. Art is a National Democratic Congress. A party a dream a handful a party a dream don't want Jumayofo TUCs, GPRTUs in the Kekano, a yang and a yede womu, yani omu ede, a bonkus you are tafri because your dream one more some. Your party, your dream said they be Uosika, I was said we are different from Obia Unisika. Then your dream said, Unibi, na Obi Wobia, yet meji one nipa or wono, na ye de abuao, ama o mino, yanyasum yema, yanyakanko. It is workers raise issues based on the philosophy that I believe in as a political party, a social democratic party. I was say yenya kwan na yeti workers na yetuminya kwan biswa ye beya ebeboama obia no ebenya na sumbi. So mo raise issues of ejuma ebia and sa maritime for no and as a dry dog for no kwa na be ejuma Ghana Port and Harbors no enya ejuma enya. Those are issues I also yebisa ye ho say first of all ejuma no ye betimi aye and as entumi ye say ship be ba ye betimi aye ho adwuma ma bibia akoso pepepe ana se enkoso by that claim no say obi na be ya obi enye say adwuma no betimi aye fine ye betimi aye adwuma no then ye be hwe say sa company no a ye ka no ho asem say ye gya adwuma no ma na no nkwa na be ye adwuma no or the wine mu na eye adwuma. That is another question very important. Or the kind of one a year juma. Yes, or the kind of one a year juma. Womu NHS say various wing of the company now. Womu ebe ye juma noa. Ebi mu fi say ye manu ekoswa. Ghana Port and Harbors Authority for no enye juma ni binyana. Now maybe so say. Now as the situation stands now, metie sa company no. Ama omo so e de omo atsem abetudwa. Ama omo chire mu. Senia ejuma no betimi akoso ma Ghana fo kura no ebenya ejuma no more senia na ete that no because senia o matini mu wo mu
utietie mu free he
the company no your friends say what is
MPS Meridian Port Services
MPS for no
omo de na utie
na watie wo mu
na watie adwumayefo no ni Impomanda Union TUC o can say workers be 1400 and I'm sure ya wo mo adwuma be bo wo mo
correct metie no
watie omo society
in response to that and as PS MPS for no and so I responded here church say sa position no at TUC for the betu dwa no and you correct and you correct to the extent say we want mega and massive expansions port no emma we mo be here even more people than say obeka say obi ebi mu ebehwere wo mo adwuma. Besides that say whatever the situation may be now say Ghana Port and Harbor for say because sa new company we are omo be here experienced people omo be say adwuma na technical sa harbor ho adwuma technical we be here omo nim e de aye until whatever the case may be na say ebi adwuma no dodo no kra as claimed by the union no ebeko we mu nchen they will need these people omo experience that no omo ba be adwuma ma ho. So it is maybe shifting from Ghana Port and Harbors and then joining this company. No?
But then I just say automatically, on being more hands, agreed. But automatically, you befer more hands, you befer free GPHA. At the NHS, CBG aba consolidated. At the NHS or buy staff dada na no say, Moana chinchan chimpesa minimum ye juma. We are not also on staff and also on recruitment methodology be cry or they ever. Ain't necessarily so.
Ain't necessarily so, but my point I made sure no say a Jumanoa, one more person more no a bit technical. Entire technical, won't do for big keke. And got to say because we will be a company for follow Nepano and be a Juma woman. We be here one more woman say Jumano, na womo abeboa manaye. But I'm just making a suggestion, and I may raise it, which is not the case as it stands now. Because me a company, no, as more mokai, no, just to debunk the assertion now, a union for no air can say, I'm besides that, I will say, yes, ne hunu he. A bimu ewa men can say, yes, as it stands now, because I don't have the full factor of the whole scenario.
Okay.
But I will say, your dream won't so, and want to say, a bimu wa, woman say, a juma be aba. Na ebeboa ye import systems no kanko na emum sike bia na womunya no omunye biomu a aban asesa nti ombetimi de asem bia betudwa aye no wo ye bia ye say ende mo so ya cancel mo contract because omuni maban we wo tepe say aban dada no ende ye arrangement aye ya cancel contract no ya ye de say min gin di say aban we ebetie ewo tra sana or also take action. Ubi and it is very important to say yebehwe say it be and wamodi wa musika wo aye investment yama omo aye projection investment here omo ye bia projections be 10 to 20 years and so more start to cry nya ehun faso enya a break even to even start making profits in any account because aye investment kitwa sanso na akosi banks your financial institutions ni mu amane nipa bebre egugu fie no ye gitum say obi raise issues I will say ye hwehwemu but san hwehwemu no should not be biased towards company be a case a binder that NAA because me no work as a crisis here. Okay, say Argentina your course and sign contract.
I buy Obiaka as a company, but contract was signed under the previous government.
Correct. It's so. It is so.
It is a clause na a woman or daily statement could say clause 3B or say containers above ships so containers 200 and above MPS for a bay juma. Then say indirectly no we mu GPH no redundancy count moba ship on a back then so container 200 so container 200 de kwa wo and only omuka say ejuma no so ship no ebeba no so containers mo say a day some be clear ships tenna e be mu be 8 6 so containers 200 and above tie no be ko MPS o na ansana the areas are see na de ne no so no akọ GPH wo enti enti na black man no capable of managing on one affairs wo be kwa ye contract bi sa ade won so na aban adwuma ye twe na se ye nso enti na omo yes na say why
aban we ne one district one factory
yeah
omo ne na omo say obi bia obefi amanone aba na odi sika aba na obeboa no eno na omo friend one district one factory aban bi eniwa owo sika odi ye business
but aban we waje and aban age oman adwuma man for no ye no the aman krankra say umum na obetumi aye wo ye. I'm not talking about proper divestiture process.
As in Jumana PDS for
yes, MPS.
MPS for no say any issue of diversity, issue of capacity.
And I make say aban bia ba wa sheda say maje oman adwuma oman for no ye omunya omusika omuye omubibia kama because omuche say GPH nkakranka from revenue and omudia build the port ya bepemene enti obviously anya adwuma omuye omuboka aban beka say muntimi nye ntimi kosensan contract ama akwakodi ankrankran nsemu ana ehoro na me issue caveat say enya say me can proper diversity be aban
ai very simple understanding what is the right word trade facilitation any sa habo hu ni airport hu nsensem no a obeti ase ehunu say enye say aban eye edwuma no say aban eye edwuma no na say obetimi aye ama aban enya 100 cities na obetimi di ankrankra beka ho na wetumi enya 1 million at the end of the month na aban emboka na sikano ena wodi account na say ka issue of capacity any trade facilitation wa
okay
yes say you say Ghana a trade hub ema the West African subcontinent na yes I so ebie the gate to African the continent ni nyina nti say wo pese wo yes anu a e wo say unya nhyehyeye bi a ebe kire say we meet standards be a betimi ama wenya sa trade volumes no we betimi receive sa trade volumes no to receive it ya wo mo etre wo papers ni mu kra say ship no eye kese ebedu size bi a yen Ghana Port and Harbour for no bia na omo ni sa capacity no omo ni sa nhyehyeye no any technology omo betimi e de aye amana ye easy nti obi aba invest in sika obeboa na ships no until recently ships sizes be Ghana
okay
I was say doggy will be na ye the ship get one so kwasesa na e ma cost no e ko high for a businessman o person oye ejuma
e di nyoma any capacity na obetimi ISR development na woni so in time pass o maji loan na develop bida nti na nka ye ntimi mua omoma omonje loan and develop na one month.
Oh, you can bet me about but you see, I buy at any point in time, no. Ewo, no ma bebre, ewo, the table so.
Okay.
And the scale of preference.
Okay.
Ewo, economics mo. Enti, obesha say, okay, ye way, no being sumwa me mami ye way. Na ye ko ye.
All right.
That is very simple. It's as simple as that. Enti, and yes, said me ji two mo say issues or more raising no. Ma abai and ye hwan. Na imom aban enye nhwehwemu na obeye nhwehwemu no so man enko with a bias ye fan say mind say we mu aban dada no na sign contract nti ye kope eyi wo mo afri ho because as we speak ye can banking institution and as a financial institutions na ho aka and in your padodo no or modusu or mojumanwa. And people have raised issues are cogent. Obi to say member of parliament for Bogatanga Central, Honorable Adongo. We're raising cogent arguments. Just say a buy no idea no you know. A tuchima will be. Of course, and one can try.
Okay.
One can try. Or to make it as ye say BBA SSA, you know, we are in the financial regime, you know. Now why a bonny would yatia will be found who is so. And the idea of my no and would be and a member say Yadibakoha say a co not a company no BBA woman so a better than more mountain. Nan your mano and so memum ye corner say be a cry ya shall say a day she be moved because I say you two men do before a bear say you manual bayano and fagana dean ye and comma will be so that to be on funny sick and bagana because when he says a sabaya it is going to be business as usual.
Thank you. Mami shared the refer can of Facebook na me ba ya be wrap up on the office of special prosecutor. Sir Galaxy Amyan Kwanta we thank God we have CID boss who gives hope rather than actions. Soon Mami Tua will become a motivational speaker for Ghana. Yet ya sem ho. Honorable Abedi Nkwada so Big Joe Shoe says good morning. Thank God former President Mahama is exposed over his rigging claims. He who calls for equity must come with clean hands. But the special prosecutor has failed Ghanaians for not being a man of his words. So was he pretending to act like he can help reduce corruption for his own gain or for the country? Asembeba debio. Antonio Beablade Fiekuma Zongo Takrate says ignore purported list from special prosecutor. This is a big disgrace. For over a year now, the office of a special prosecutor can't show of any prosecution, but to say they are under no obligation to do. So should Ghanaians wait until the end of the president's term of office before any announcement of prosecution being made? This shows the kind of leadership we have. Teacher Constitution, we are more say, if Ghanaians will listen to me, that's him, Teacher Constitution, they should ignore the list because they are nothing good. Okay, they should ignore. In fact, there is nothing there. They should ignore because they are nothing good. They have nothing good to offer Ghanaians typo. If we allow the NDC to remain in opposition for at least 32 years, Nana Addo and its NPP government will make Ghana like USA or UK. NDC opposition forever. That presupposes that Ghanaians should ignore the NDC. Oibo Boateng Echiman Nebehi. Good morning, yeah. Is that former President Mahama speaking like that? 2016 elections rigged, time changes. What did the minority say when NPP accused Madame Charlotte Osei of election rigging? From my point of view, former President Mahama is desperate for power. What has former President Mahama left at the Flagstaff House? Ghanaians won't allow NDC another chance to mess up. Randy Nana Odro Nyako from Still Big Joe Shoes, Quadra Sonion Market says, good day, champion host. I think former President John Dramani Mahama must apologize to the EC for his baseless allegation against the credible institution. And I know the special prosecutor is doing his job and everything he is doing shouldn't be publicized. Let's all allow him to work. On that note, he a special prosecutor, so and then Krata no dodona diaba o share crusading guide new crusading guide special prosecutor roles as he drops suspect list a list of 26 a buy no chesedi wom mo abandon them mo aban foforo mo e womu pa na Daily Graphic nso say womu say debi we office no board chairperson Mamelindo for ya wofi GICC Ghana anti-corruption coalition for no hono no and what did you just say debi so list nenya dia list visa babo ntinti Ghana for montumu no say same post susuan pass if your office hono mo a enya na say office no so mo ni da ho obi enechi omumu na o leak information na NSS Kwabontin, classified info, the Echo Abontin, and it is trending to accept the list or to ignore. And I say, Obi, and all the listener about Bontin. I now smiling.
Well, but share papers that were I show a great deal of interest.
Okay.
I was asking them more.
Now listen, send them social media. Did you see one?
Oh, me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, in fact, even before I got to the studio,
okay.
Me checking me way, me sign who list, and supposed charges.
But interesting, you said in guardian, no free number 9, no 10 number 11 number 12 number 13 number 14 number maybe 15 t. Ebiatiakam. Let me go and see if I'll see it. Page 10. But me also, me in some mind same bia say my republication bia.
You see, to be very frank with you, the entire make me doubt is a list.
No.
Yeah, the fact is all share on one issue, I almost say, yet to be investigated. Yes, one more train, former President Rawlings, say, one more on board DMV. Now, one more empire investigation. Now, Osha listen, one moody Dean's washer. I don't understand. I don't get a head and tail of that thing.
So, be a try so moody,
not a Dean for France or Jose. I mean, it is very, very sad. A ploy, I made a say. A diverting attention.
But who could have done that?
Oh, yeah.
Why a bit me asking us because one said Obokrodi, let me see the full list Obokrodi. Now about procurement breach akoso. No about Nipana or involved in that procurement breach, Now for about case, say investigation. Say afen yebe assign crime investigation. Say afen yebe jini pani statement taken from respondent. Say what jinti onya daji ye we nyina answer.
Well, you see,
who has time for that?
Your manwa yede call. I know, for instance, Alfred Obin asemu yede call special prosecutor obi any nipa or mo de call ho. Say omo ye sanhwehwe mu no. Okay. So clearly there are many other cases that obi ade kwa. Or Fred on special prosecutor said they are seminal command now on yet because near yet is a special prosecutor no can say on young and she said the office crime we now was starting investigations now ubisa say one a bit me ya so when you buy on board homebody na ne ho akire no and that o sorry a semu say o kira o sorry a obi adisika say o chinechi o sorry a say galamsey fo akodi sika ma almost say yensu no more. Yet sorry, yakochi mame Helen Wana. And the betting yes, one who's way Johnny. Chinese in Minimbi obeti afa every Ghana. One who's way Johnny. Now, what you the baby I am when I buy bet me the baby.
Say, let me play the devil's advocate. Some people knew Uncle because I know money yet to say can it yet hano. I buy a baba besiacono. I send yet to heaven. Yet ya to crew. Now born for some so a pussy for Encochini pa and mom breakijo. Nice and Semunsi. Or
Mokoche, and we be a bit to me see. But Obi catcher and so Baby Siano. Now why you need. I'm obeying when they say that dano. It's me on by a quote.
Obey any chess a BCB man.
My man can say on by no quote, maybe a new tune, and can say will be incompetent. Will be on by a no. And so what banner say baby say because what over catch them and say not because of that dano. Then you don't you are wasting my tax you are wasting it.
And to the pass some pass was obeying and agreed accepted obeying but obeying say you be too abon for some asene and near nipa near ma warrior was it no you be too asie de kude.
Oh no and say o my say you be too. You beat me to us here. Oh, my I said you beat me.
That's what so eliminating all forms of crimes and all the unthinkables.
My men can be being show when a biano A2 animal. Okay. Now we'll call even the international community. Yeah, but John the man Muhammad Banzo say urban homebody. If I pro any catastrophe, say Debbie, and ya and create your moon who you pro any catastrophe do Korean or my moha. Ye baby to us here. Proye yaka bibia o se pro ne katasese na ma ye ntumi ye to me ye now ba That's a war office in ne or man penny and another danko for office in or wo nipa ya investigation me no me se wo hu ya me hu e wo TV so a wo gisika se ne judge for gisika ye pam mo abi mu start say bu sa no so ye and they order no office or that's what they be ehunu e wo office won ye de
what tie nipa na sem
what is say okasa asem judge for no me o ma say one it judge
ya boni din o judge for no kai say sabre no chief justice set up committee
correct
exactly
evidence no and you won't say we are guilty of the
exactly.
So evidence in one day
was say
GFE boss no
side jumedie na ye say waye ama ehun abasem ana say waje adamudie no o say matwe me ho munye mu hwehwe mu me pese make twintwan hwemu na nemu na emom edi nkan kra no me wasem ka wo ho efi say de ama ene dosu eye ntwan to so enti opese se apawa ne ba ye nenti wonfa mampani fa bibia hu clients en kamaje apawa na di abra nipa ne se enti sa enye tie ne ebetie nipa ne so de enti enye committee ne ebetie
aba ema na ado danko akofado ema ne bedi ade ne se ye bisa ne se wo be de anko eti apawa ne kata hye o se me yusu anas kwan no yusu no na me de akwenti apawa ne kata hye o mampani enye me o mampenyi enye John Dramani Mahama o mampenyi na nado because onimra oyemra nimni so mu America no enti se wono atimi atena se a onimra se John Dramani Mahama na kasa se obe use anas strategy na oba na se bia bibi na wasesa no kasa de bi ade no se na esiko no ye betimi ate ase na mom o mampenyi na nado eyemra nimni to say obi ani mu say okwa etire ye ya camera na wotumi atena se ahwe ehun se ne na se ye na aka ebi mu anne ebi mu kra ahwere wo mo nkwa no na okasa obi use sa strategy no na nne obeka kire me say na yemfa bibi mbra mbeka mesre me busa agagefo no omugugu efie no ye obi be ma full tape no ansa ye di wo masem obi be ma full tape ansa ye di wo masem na ne o mampenyi o ka kire enso obekun tia pro ne kata hwehwe no ono se yemfa full tape mbra ansa ye dia wa hwehwe asem ni mu na wo fi se ye koyi ni ma na ansa ye ba ye chi so sa ban no e na meka tell say a bibia to achima atete apansam ane obia ho mu trick se asem ba pe na omo de bibia ba na ye de abeto obi so asem ba pe ye say ofuso ampofu ye hwehwe wo ye fe say ndc chama ye hwehwe wo CID office asem ba pe ye say oh mama yarga ye hwehwe wo iyoko ye say bra na be ansem bibi na ye di ye na ye ka de sana obi ehun sa trick no bibia ntimi nkoso bio enti that is what they will resort to via propaganda.
Only GD office of the special prosecutor must obetumi aye adwuma no ye man time.
You see, yeah.
Now to say a man more time.
Yeah. Me come chiro. Me wo party a the enti a me dom sa party no. Ye say ye dwen ehiafo ho. Eni enti na me dom sa NDC. Sa ehiafo no so wo pese wo boa wo mo a. Let us say e wo say wutumi kuntia pro ye na kata hyehyɛ. Answer wetumi ayeden enya sika ni bi e dia mo esanse sika no ebeboa nipa dodo no na nipa ba ko de ahye ne kotu bom it is a special prosecutor office no ebetimi aboa ma ya kwatia me kura se me wo sika me de beboa wo no mo ye na mo special prosecutor na nkasa de mutom ye bisa no stay no ka kire pressure no start mount one so o ka kire ye wo say ebibi vo ni bi kura wo ha o mu kwatia no empesa na ejuma ne beba so
Sana was see a man pressure and go what say pressure man so and so no adentina yen time chukuma no one yen adwuma kakra akokɔ benu nso because one was criminal prosecution no yen to boate owie na se medi obi ata na ma yen hwemu nipa ye de na kɔgyina court afa ye bebu anufu be wie bi kura na ntisa eti ohia bre
na me so ohia mre no me na me kɔtam we e de betu dwa say or say or yeah investigation and abeda na di say
na waka say you sire
me na me konta ba o mo aro mo ye to say they are complicating papa ne juma
okay
to say wo ejuma no kura mo ntumi ma no kwan ma ne ye esan say o ye ejuma no a o mo party ne bebu ase into a month person obey yes I do man. So they will do everything to sort of create some
party.
They be me party say a
party,
yeah, a bino party.
Na nya mumu na yese mumu bebre wo ho no mu ansensem ti yentwen ye be sha ase kra achichi mumu bi mu. One day be den na omu party ani magu ase.
Achichi ne de me no woti he ma men kan pepe nchira we national television. Yes start pre say ye the campaign nkofo we. That is the last resort of we use. You be free way. And you wo yoko. What na what jina simple so your campaign but no more publish it. Won him now kwa bibia ya publish it. You say wo so you the special prosecutor office. So that is the strategy they are going to use.
And we are prepared for it. Beka say bia monso monsemu a chira power na whether I no krenye no krena bi. The resort is covert and overt means enti bia de monso ma hachi wo dem and na wo kan say.
Oh they be then I hachi wo dem say e be tie people
mo de be ye na mo de ameki aban no popular.
You want to be say e be tie obi. And yes, I bet make buy one popular.
Now they are buying popular.
Seventy Hana Becca say insu galamsey insu no yes ye be born buy no insu no at system not to tap on some not me say binding. One man me paint no me paint the black. One of them because nipa need to win him your mouth evidence. What say this say the BB so be can. One man me paint into me find the paint me win. And you paint na me dey paint. So that is the situation. I buy no emphasis. You can be a Ghana for India. On to anamon. Okay. You should be proactive. Now watch the Ghana for because I mean you Ghanaians are sending. O could be beyond the whole campaign. What must someone much tell? Omo catch us say ne Ghana ubi any be. To me for 5 CD. For Bentua. For Ntuma. Because I will be a better about my baby. Ghana will be any be. Sasani bi no wo ho ampa mentimi nkogina ho enka asem bi mo fa na trasa enka sa mo koto aba o so ehu
okay
o so ehu ne ekoso aban anka betumi akwapu etia pro ne kata hyeche no anka ni say ye brese aban anka betumi akwa etia pro hwe ma menka bi nkyerɛ let me be very it's very important it's very important hwe nienti a na do danko akofo do bamia aban wo never ntumi nkuntia pro ne kata hyeche ne say wo hwa ebusuafo adofo your friends say hometown for your friends say mekrom for ene ne kekam nepotism very high into say nepotism so very higher dan na me your friends say Attorney General. It is not a hearsay. It is not a hearsay.
Thank you.
It is not
Alhaji Nasir Mohammed Medawase, NDC communication team member, and enye mpunimpu enye boapa yese 1-on-1. Nemom MPP ni anese sobano Honorable Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokufu enonya emergency went to me amma replacement ni so se na minyanti yese Queen Wabana so no kuna ba pemu enti onuafache nti we dey ntimi nye ho hwe 9:30 abo 9:31 replacement ne buy but won so anyante ye ne ntem bia na wo no amane ntimi ama medu ntem enti dia da yakoso ya npichi aha ne dia de Nsroma dwumadie enebnada de no esi na me ya adomo a obi ne na asem tomorrow will be another day ye won wo chena ene wu pie di onyame emwa onkai onum wo omanu si wo ye Nisi Wisano Chumanso Eye.
And drop me deputy youth organizer.
Okay.
Ruth Della Sedo.
Oh, okay.
Okay. But the Aquina we so Amanumu. Na Mashana didn't say Jumano Oyeno, a swing until on Twaswa and Yanasa. Happy birthday, Ruth.
Yakramo, Medidi Yakunama, Mumabai.